Richard Hans L. Burdett, Grace Tide Fernando. My PETA in Science is about changing state of water. Materials needed: ice cube, saucer, handkerchief, small basin, glass, water, and ice candy plastic bag. Part A. First, I take 3 ice cubes and place it in a saucer. I put the saucer with ice cubes outside under the sun. After 10 minutes, the ice cubes melt. The water turns from solid to liquid. The process I observe is melting. Part B. First, I put water in a small basin. I soak the underchip in the water until wet and place the underchip under the sun for 1 hour. After 1 hour, the underchip is already dry. The water turned from liquid to gas. The, the process I observe is evaporation. Part C. First, I put plenty of ice cubes in a glass. Then, I add water in the glass. After 20 minutes, I notice on the outside surface of the glass form droplets with cold water. The cold water turned from gas to liquid. The process I observe is condensation. Part D. First, I fill half a plastic bag with water. Then I place it in the freezer overnight. The next day, I take out a plastic bag from the freezer and the water turns from liquid to solid. The process I observe is freezing.